It's the last day of the year. I'm at Lake Hennessey. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Not many people here. Couldn't get much more perfect than this. Well, I'm cruising around, watching my bottom finder and the birds. And I'm trolling through the area with a LV 500 lipless crankbait. It's so calm. This is what we want. Oh, I want to see some fish popping up on there. Tokyo rig, first time using it. Eight-inch Huddleston. I've never caught a fish with one of these. I might wet my pants if I do. Whew. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm right at the dam. Oh, it's 3:15. So pretty. Have grebes all around me feeding. The water's flat. Fish underneath me in 70 feet. And I haven't had a bite since this morning. Hook up. Whee! Hi there. A crappie. My goodness, a big crappie. You're the biggest crappie I've ever seen. Look at you.